All right, so now that we've talked about our introductions, which is an upside down triangle, let's talk about our conclusions. If you go to your packet, it should be on page 7. Looks like this. What do conclusions have? Well, you refer back to your hook. So you're making this full circle feeling to your essay. That's the top of the triangle. So we're still really narrowed in on our topic. Refer back to the hook. Start broadening, so you restate and emphasize your thesis. When I say restate, you reword it. Do not repeat it. Do not copy it verbatim. A lot of kids will like flip it, and you may or may not want to include the concession at this point. It's up to you. But again, restate it, re-emphasize it. You're still going to make your point, but you're going to do it in a different way so that it doesn't just sound like you copied and pasted. Broadening statement, okay, make this more universal. How does this apply to the world at large? And then finally, what's your final thought for your reader? What do you want them to walk away knowing or feeling or thinking? Okay. So I'm looking for about 4 to 5 sentences for this. You have 4 boxes here. Okay. So at least 1 sentence per box. And again, remember, this is the last thing that your reader is going to look at. So really leave an impact. Now, this next slide is an emphasis for all of your packet, intro, conclusion, and body. And that is you've got to remember MLA format. Anytime you quote or paraphrase, which I need 3 citations per body paragraph, 2 of them should be a paraphrase, 1 of them should be a direct quote. No matter if it's a paraphrase or direct quote, you have to give credit. So most of us have an online source, which means we're probably in this category right here, author plus no page because it's from the internet. So what you do is you have the quote with quotations around it or the paraphrase, and then in parentheses, you have the author's last name, okay? Last name. Some of you may not have an author. It might just be the title of an article, which that's this last point here. If there's no author, no page, then after the quote, which is in quotations, or your paraphrase, which is your own words, in parentheses, you put the title of the article. Most articles, not most, all articles are going to have quotes around them, right? So you're going to have quotes around the title of the article. Avoid first person point of view. Do not tell me what you think. Do not tell me what you feel. I already know. Third person point of view. Keep this academic. Don't say you. Don't say we. Don't say I, me. Keep it in third person point of view. Okay? And then the total outline will be due Wednesday when you come to class. Thank you.